Hello, thank you for joining Craig's Gun Channel. My name's Craig, and today we're going to talk about something a little different. Normally I'll be talking about firearm related items, but I like other things too, and so sometimes I'll have a deviation where I'll talk about something different. And today, as luck would have it, I'm going to talk about my Jeep. Now, the reason this came up, I'll show you in just a moment, but just a little bit of history. Several years ago, I bought the Jeep and it looked like this. Well, I did a lot of work to it, bought a lot of parts, did some repairs, and was able to turn it into something that I liked a lot better, and then there was this. Well, recently I was doing a little bit of work to it, and I was underneath it looking around, and I found this. This is not good. For any of you that have owned a Jeep before, this is probably not something that's too unusual to you. When I worked on the Jeep originally, the frames all looked fine. I checked them all out. I even, sanded off some of the bad surface rust and painted them. The problem, Jeeps, they rust as far as the frames from the inside out. So by the time you see that there's a problem, there's a big problem. And in these particular areas, because of a design of how the Jeep is designed and the fact that they're made to go off-road, and people do, water and mud and debris accumulate in these areas wherever there's a bend, and it traps moisture, and then that causes it to rust. Eventually it rusts out. I've got the three main areas that are very bad, and so I'm going to have to do some repair work. Luckily there's a company out there. I'm just mentioning their name because if anyone else has a Jeep in a similar situation, I might be able to save you some time when you're searching, but it's pretty easy to find on the internet. It's called Auto Rust Technicians, and they make this product called the Safety Cap. And essentially what it is it's a frame rail section that's dimensionally sized to go over the existing frame. You simply cut out the old damaged, rusted out metal, you slide the cap over it, and then you weld it in place along the seam. And in theory, it should make the frame almost as good as new. So I'll be doing that over the next several weeks, and I'll keep you updated on its progress. Why not? Hopefully, if I learn anything, I'll be able to share that with you. And if nothing else, we can have something to laugh about together later on. So until next week, this is what my Jeep looks like, and I'll see you next week and be safe. Thanks.